MI-7951 Motorized sit-stand desk converter. Assembly. Attach the lift column to the base using the provided bolts. Insert the upper two bolts into the rectangular bracket on the lower portion of the lift column. Leave a gap of approximately 6 mm between the bottom of the bolt head and the bracket. Hang the keyboard tray on the two bolts and ensure that the bolts are seated fully in the smaller end of the keyhole-shaped holes. Install the two bolts to the lower bolt holes, then fully tighten the upper two bolts. Slide the control panel down over the top of the column. Plug the controller in. Connect the cable to the wall plug, and then plug the cord into a power outlet. Press the up arrow button and raise the keyboard tray to a high enough position to comfortably access the bottom of the tray. Install the provided bolts through the underside of the tray into the control panel to secure it in place. Loosen and remove the bolt and knob on top of the VESA plate, then remove the plate. Slide the monitor arm onto the column and tighten the bolts to secure the arms at the desired height. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts for your monitor's mounting holes and install the VESA plate onto the back of the monitor. Slide the monitor into place on the end of the monitor arm bracket. Reinstall the bolt and knob removed earlier to secure the monitor in place. The monitors can be tilted 90 degrees, swiveled 60 degrees, and can be rotated to a landscape or portrait orientation.